guys, welcome back to my channel, Roam to the Future. If you haven't saw any of my videos, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Today we're unboxing the Kano Make Your Own Computer Kit Touch. It's a tablet, so you can touch the screen, and it's just basically a different version. This is my mom.
Hi.
And she's going to be helping me install the whole thing.
Cool.
So let's open it. So first we find the instruction manual, how to make a tablet. Then you'll find, to the left of the instruction manual, you'll find the stickers that comes with it.
That's cool.
And so you can, and it's in this little slot. If you want to put it back, you can put it back like there. But here is the final, like, real thing. This is the case, and these are magnets, so don't worry if you think these are trash things. So if you can store it in the back, and how you get it out is with this little pool looking thing. So you take it out. This is one part. We're gonna go dig here to this Raspberry Pi 3.
Oh, is that what that is?
Yeah, it is.
Oh yeah, Raspberry Pi 3 brain. Cool.
It's the brain.
Nice.
So
Let's take out all the parts.
So
what is that? That is the USB.
This is the USB board. Yes, this is.
Cool.
This is the USB board. This helps your cables connect, and
That's the cable block.
This is the cable block. This helps cables to be organized and in pieces. This is your sound sensor.
Yes.
So your sound sensor can listen to the world around you. This is the brain block. So first, I think the first instruction.
How about you take out all the parts first?
Mm-hmm. This is.
That is the touch
cable. So you have this, which is.
The yellow is the
HDMI cable. It's in this little wrap so it won't get tangled. This is the power board. This kind of reminds me. This is a do-it-yourself speaker, I guess. This is the rechargeable battery.
These are the
split power cable.
Yes.
And this is the micro power cable.
Show the camera.
So this
That part
looks kind of shapy if you go make it look this way. This is a data block. And this gives your brain this gives your computer superpowers. This is a memory card. First you have to actually take the thing. You have to take the memory card out of the slot before you actually put it in.
Mm-hmm. What else is in here?
So after this stuff, here is the screen. This is the screen. You can't see what's inside. You can't see what's inside the screen, but there are invisible wires. This is, it looks like a power block.
That is the power plug.
Power plug. This looks like split power cable or power cable.
Yeah, they're just more cables.
Oh wait, if you take this out, you can see what this is. So what this is, it looks like
It's just a cable.
a cable. Okay, so
Let's
let's
go to the instructions.
see the instruction. This is making me satisfied.
Alright, so let's read.
This is your computer's brain. It's tiny but powerful. If you look very closely, you can see switches. And that's how your computer thinks.
Grab the brain block.
First step, grab the brain block.
This will keep the brain in place. So you push the brain block onto the block using the holes.
So there are 4 holes. 1, 2, 3, 4. Wow, okay. Snug in.
Nice and tight. Is it on correctly?
Push it all the way down.
Make sure it's snug.
It is.
Let's give your brain new powers. Grab the memory card and slide out the micro card.
So this is the memory card, and this is the micro card. No wonder it's called micro card.
It's so small. Okay, where do we put it?
Slide it in.
Turn the brain over. Read it.
Turn the brain over. It can hold thousands of songs, games, and ideas.
Slide in the micro card securely. If you can't slide it in, take the brain off and flip it around. Did you see it?
So this
Is that the right way?
is the right way. Face it the SanDisk way. Like the logo way. The logo way.
Okay.
Already, the screen.
Pick up the screen. Now plug the brain onto the screen.
This is where it keeps it tidy. This is the brain. And
Looks
then
like it
you
goes here.
put it like, it looks like this way. Nice.
Click them tight like building blocks.
So this is what makes kids actually want to do this, like Lego, for example, because Lego is like building blocks. And
Make sure you push all the way down. Is it
all the way down.
Great. Now the brain is in place.
Grab the cable block, which keeps your cables organized, and push
Snap
it
onto the screen.
and snap it onto this 2 little circles. 1, 2.
Right. It says this will keep your cables organized.
Yes.
Can you see the driver board?
Yes, so this is the driver board.
Let's introduce the
Micro
parts.
USB.
Okay.
This is another micro USB, HDMI, and the graphics chip. Once again,
It's the screen.
micro USB, another one, HDMI, and a graphics chip.
Cool. And what is it?
This is a driver. This is the driver board. It's already pre-installed for you.
And it's the screen's command center. So the driver board gets millions of messages from your computer every second and passes them to your screen. Alright, next is
Grab the yellow HDMI cable, which is this, and it comes in the actually real, not that tapey plastic thing. So this, inside the cable, there are thousands of copper fibers into 19 wires.
twisted into 19
Twisted.
wires. Cool.
This cable will carry pictures from your computer to your screen.
Cool.
It sends images, videos, and more using a binary code. I forgot how to say it. So plug
the yellow cable into the brain.
Okay, so into this brain. Into the brain.
Careful.
Okay, so there is actually one way.
Mm-hmm.
It's because like it has to be a certain way. Up or down. Okay. And this other one, we'll connect it into the bottom piece, and you connect the other cable into this driver board. It looks nice.
All right, next is
grab the orange cable. This cable sends data when the screen is touched to the computer.
okay. Where does that belong?
Plug the big end of the orange cable into the brain, which is the one you just built. Just. It seems like they're saying the top.
Is it the
or
top
bottom?
or the bottom?
I have a feeling it's the bottom. Yep, it's the bottom, I think. And then
Connect it
connect
to this.
it to the driver board. And then
Now push the cable into the channel like this. Okay,
so it's here, nice and tidy.
good job.
Oh, I like how it's different colors.
It's all color coordinated, so it's pretty easy for a kid to do.
Mhm.
Time to give your computer a voice. Pick up the DIY speaker, which has 2 cables. And
1, 2.
an audio jack for sound and an USB for power. So the audio cable sends signals, and they vibrate the magnet membrane and the air inside. Okay, let's see how it gets installed. Plug the power cable into the brain's USB.
Plug the power cable in.
Towards the bottom one?
I think it's this way to the bottom. This way, bottom, right? Yes. And then
Now the audio jack.
now the audio jack goes into here. I have a feeling.
Let's see, it looks like it belongs here, in this hole here. Good job.
Mhm.
Okay.
Oh yo.
Push the cable into the cable box. The cable block.
Mhm.
See that?
Mhm. Push the cable into the cable block.
Just
Fully into the cable block.
Good.
I can't wait for this to actually turn on.
This one has to be pushed in.
Oh.
There you go. Oh, now grab the USB hub.
The USB hub is red, like this.
Are you sure?
Nope, it's green. So this is.
Okay, you can plug in memory sticks and Kano sensors. Push the hub onto the block using the holes. Alright, where are the 3 holes? Is it this one? Oh, here. Got it.
The other way. Alright.
So push through.
It's all pushed through.
Now click the hub onto the screen.
The hub will be.
It's the other way, honey.
It's the other way. Is it this one?
Mm-hmm.
No, I have a. It is. No, it is. See, at the edge?
Oh, yeah.
Yes.
Oh, it's the other way though.
It's the other way.
Facing out.
Facing out. Can you help me?
No, it's okay. We'll just see. Okay, let's put this first.
Now put it in again.
Yep.
Okay, so make sure these 3 are on the outside.
Right,
so they will connect to these little holes here.
Good job. Make sure the USB ports fit properly like this. You see? See that? Right.
Oh, that's why.
Yeah. Now plug it into the brain.
Oh, so that's so this is the it's
Oh,
meant
so
to
it is
be
on the
bottom.
top. Okay.
Oh, so
Top
how
of
do
the orange
I
plug.
on top of it?
Don't forget to push the green cable into the channel. Okay, good job. Now,
Is it this one? Yes.
You are right. Right, let's add some electricity. Grab the battery.
This is the battery. It's red.
Inside the battery are billions of moving electrons, which creates electricity.
Am I touching
Push the
something?
battery firmly onto the screen. Where does it belong? Does it fit?
It fits perfectly.
Great. Grab the short end of the red cable. Is this the red cable? There's so many. Oh, here it is. This one.
Oh.
Okay. Plug it into the power board. Make sure it's the shorter one.
Which side? So it's the flat side.
Let's see.
Oh, wait. Which side? Oh.
Yep. Grab it up. Brace it.
Line it up.
Right, you see all the holes? Now we gotta line it up. Let's make sure we got this. Is it good?
It covers up all the pins.
Make sure it covers all the pins.
Yep, it does.
Okay.
Wait, does it? Oh, wait a second.
Let me see. Let me check.
I think it's supposed to be like around here. It does, right? No.
No, you missed one actually.
Missed some.
That's why you need parents to help out. Let's be careful with this.
It doesn't cover all the pins yet. So cover all the pins, otherwise it wouldn't work that great. This is the sound sensor again. So plasticky.
The longer end of the cable and plug it into the screen's driver board. This is it. This is it.
It's going in.
So we don't push it so hard yet. Make sure it goes.
This kind of reminds me of Apple's, like, whatever you call that charger.
Okay. And now plug the large end into the USB port on the battery. Oops.
Yeah, it's this one, I think. Oh. Oh, this reminds me of like a highway, actually, kind of.
It kind of does. Alright, so remember to push the power cable into the channel to keep it tidy. Okay, so let's make sure all these wires are pushed into the channel here. Okay, got pushed in. Alright, nice. Okay.
Okay.
Cool.
Looks nice.
Now grab the small red power cable. Plug it into the battery. Where's the battery?
This is the battery. plug it into the little hole.
Alright, amazing. Your computer is ready to make sound, images, and connections. Now, you need a way to talk to it. Grab your keyboard.
Off the back.
Okay.
By the way, there's this little cover. This is for charging only. It's a wireless keyboard.
Pick it up, flip it over, and push the power button. Don't use the red wire yet. That's for charging. Okay, so flip it over, push the power button. Where's the power button? Right here. Okay. Take out the white piece. This is the radio antenna.
This is the radio antenna.
Plug the antenna into the brain. What is that for? Right, the last.
On top of the blue.
Right.
So.
Make sure it's the right way so you're not forcing it.
Yeah. Alright. Yay!
Alright, we're almost done. To keep your computer strong and safe, let's add the case. Grab the screen case and push it onto the screen. Wait.
Oh, wait. Make sure cables are out of your way before.
Exactly. Okay, so make sure all of this is coordinated. Whoa, look at that. How cool is that? A see-through?
This is better than an iPad. Way better.
Now grab the long red charging cable, plug the big end into the PSU. That means power supply unit. PSU. PlayStation U. Alright, so then plug the PSU into the wall and other end into the computer. Okay. So we'll plug that later.
We'll plug it later.
Now one final touch. The sound sensor. Wait. It lets your computer listen to the world around you. Plug it into the USB hub.
USB hub.
The top one.
Is this way top. Ah, yes.
Right. Now hold the power button for 3 seconds. So let's.
No, it has to charge. Remember?
Let's take the screen out.
Screen protector.
Yeah. Why don't you do the honor? Wow! Look at that. All right. So where's the power button? Where's the power button? It's right here, right? Let's press that. 3 seconds to bring it to life. Hold it for 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3. Look, it's
on. Yes.
If your computer doesn't turn on, make sure the power board covers the pins and then.
Yes. This is definitely something, alright. I love this look of it.
This is cool. The Kano's starting up, so I want to remind people that there's magnets in the back for the keyboard.
So it magnetically attaches. If you need to travel or something, like if you're on vacation or something, let's say you want to bring this for fun. If you actually don't want the keyboard, you don't because it's a touchscreen. Well, if you do, there's magnets in the back to store.
Okay, you can take that out because we're going to use it right now. Wow, look, it's starting up.
I am your computer.
What does it say?
I am your computer. I like this.
Read it.
Press enter to continue. First, can you help me talk? Type type say hello and press enter.
Type say hello. SAY space HELL O. And press enter.
Hello.
Now that he is setting the computer up, we think this is such a great idea for kids that want to learn how to code, because even from the
kids
beginning,
for all ages, even grown-ups who actually want to code, like my mom.
What does it say? Yeah, there's a lot of great features. It's actually a real computer. 100 plus step-by-step challenges that Rome can learn to code. And there's endless art, games, and music. So we're gonna set it up and see what's inside. Your screen is filled with invisible wires. Touch the screen to see them.
Whoa.
These wires can feel the electric charges in your fingers. Why don't you read it?
Try swiping all 10. Whoa.
That's so cool.
This is... Oh, this is a little nice animation. See? You can do 1, or you can do 5, or all 10. Cover with lines so it looks like a grid.
Cool.
So these are the apps we have. Story mode, and you have alerts here. We have YouTube. There is Hack Minecraft, Scratch, Make Pong, Terminal Quest, Files, that's File Explorer, I think, Kano Code, Make Art, Projects, and furthermore, Internet, and there's Gmail, there's Google Drives, and Google Maps. Furthermore on. There's an app store. There's an app store. I'm gonna see what there is there. Oh, there it is. So I'm just gonna go back to the dashboard. There are many of these things. I just went to something. Oh, so this, let's go to Make Pong. It shows a little video. We had fun installing and setting up this Kano computer kit touch with my mom. And this was a really fun project, and I hope you enjoy it if you have it too. I recommend this as a really good birthday gift because this inspires kids to actually learn how to code. That's one thing. 2, they get their own computer of their own, and like if this is their first, then this is obviously their first moment. We hope you guys enjoyed the video, and